The engine's going through its warm-up cycle, still on the choke. Alternator's been replaced. Brake master cylinder. Brake booster has been replaced. All fluids have been changed. Differential has been changed to 390 rear axle ratio. The original one is still available and can go with the car if needed. Cruise control does not function. The car has had a valve job, as we indicated before. The mileage is original on this car. It has a Pontiac Ram Air 3 camshaft in it, and it is quite powerful, as we will show you in the next video. AC does not work, but it is all there. There you go, it's off fast idle right now. The choke is off. And we're going to do an acceleration run with the 391 acceleration.